Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you this bold, winged, smoked out situation. I don't even know how to call this, but it's basically really smoky and black. I wanted to do something different, a little bit more messy, just to kind of challenge myself. And I'm showing this makeup look with two lip options just to give you like some inspiration on what you can do, but I will show you like at the end like what products I'm using. So the first thing I'm gonna do for my eyes, using some eyeshadow primer, I'll be using my all-time favorite, which is the MAC Cosmetics Soft Ochre Paint Pots. And to apply this, I'm taking a P84 brush from Sigma Beauty, which is my all-time favorite brush to apply this. I have a special discount code for all makeup and brushes on Sigma Beauty, their website, which I have linked down in the description bar, so if you're curious you can check that out in the description. So after applying the eyeshadow primer, I just quickly set it with a little bit of translucent powder, and then I went in with this midnight eyeliner from Eyelid. This eyeliner that I'm using is from a collaboration with Jennifer Lopez, but it's kind of the same as their like regular black eyeliner, so just use any black eyeliner that you like. And I'm gonna start with creating a sort of just a layer on top of the eyelid, but I'm trying to be like really neat around the edges because I wanted the inner part of the eyeshadow on the eyelid to be like really neat, and then the outer end I'm gonna smoke more out as it's just to make it look a little bit more messy, if that makes sense. So at the beginning it's more neat, and then slowly it starts to fade a little bit more and it looks a little bit more smudged out. That was kind of the vibe that I was going for. Now I'm gonna turn on a little bit of music so you guys can see what I'm doing and you can just focus on the application. For this video I tried to really show you like much of the process as possible. I didn't cut a lot of in the footage of the video that I filmed, so I just wanted to show you like just in real time on what I'm doing, so this way it may be a little bit more easier for you guys to recreate. So I'm just gonna stop talking and let you guys watch. Okay, so now the next step is using some black eyeshadow. I'm using this black eyeshadow from the newest Anastasia and Norvina palette. I'm really liking this black eyeshadow. It's just really pigmented and it doesn't have a lot of fallout. So I'm using this all over the eyelid to kind of make sure that it's locked in place. I'm just using a big fluffy blending brush and applying it on top of it. Then now after applying the black eyeshadow, I went in with a little bit of concealer on a big fluffy brush. I'm just gonna blend this along the outer end of the eyeliner. I felt like it was already looking quite good as far it could look a little bit more neat. But I wanted the outer V to be like a little bit more, I don't want to say neat because it doesn't have to be neat with this eye look, but I just wanted it to look less smudgy. Just a little bit more like a controlled smudge, if that makes sense. I really don't know how to say that in English. But I just went along the edges just to make it look a little bit more sharper. And yeah, that's what I was doing. And this is actually a really nice trick. I've been using this trick for a few months now for whenever I do like a more smudged out outer V. And I think this is such a nice way to make it not look as harsh but more smudgy around outer V. I just really like it. So you just take a little bit of concealer, apply it on a blending brush, and you just start blending along the outer end of the eyeshadow. Then now I'm taking a lash curler. I didn't want it to go in with any fake eyelashes today. I wanted to keep it like really editorial, just really like catwalk inspired, and I know they are not always wearing lashes. I just wanted to do something different, so I thought let's just not go for lashes today. If you're recreating this, you can definitely go for eyelashes if you're feeling that will look better. I think it will definitely look a lot more beautiful maybe, but I just wanted to do it this way. So now I went in with the Roller Lash Mascara from Benefit Cosmetics, which is my all-time favorite mascara, and I'm just putting a tiny bit of mascara just to cover my own natural color of eyelashes. Okay, and then this is how it looks on the eyes. I think it looks pretty good, even though it's like kind of dramatic. I feel like compared to like cut creases, I think it's not even that dramatic, and I just like how it makes the eyes like kind of snatched, if that makes sense. Also, I have already applied my foundation. As you can see, I used the Luminous Silk Foundation from Giorgio Armani. I'm not really liking it. I do think when I look at the monitor it looks good, but when I look in real life I just feel like I'm not really feeling it, but it is what it is. I'm never really the type of person that removes everything and starts all over. I'm just gonna work with what I have, and it's just the way it is. So I'm now gonna first do my lips, and then I'm gonna apply some blush, some highlighter. Now I can do two things, or I can go for a nude color on the lips, which will make this whole look a little bit more wearable. I do have to go to the city after filming, so for me personally, that's gonna be like the safe option. But what I think is also gonna look really cool with this look is to do like a really nice red spicy matte lipstick, which is gonna make it look a little bit more edgy, a little bit more like kind of runway vibes. So maybe I'm gonna do both to give you a different options basically. So I'm gonna start with the nude, and I'm gonna take this lip pencil from Morphe in the shade Love Bites, and I'm gonna use this to line the lips. Then now I'm going in with this liquid lipstick from Sephora in the shade 32. This is quite a light shade. It's actually maybe a little bit too light for me, but I'm gonna use it as a base for the lip gloss that I'm gonna apply afterwards. Okay, so now that this shade is on, I think it actually looks pretty good with the lip liner. So I'm gonna keep it like this first, and then at the end I'm gonna see if I will use a lip gloss on top of it. So now for my highlight, I'm gonna use this one by Bobbi Brown, which is in the shade Afternoon Glow. And to apply this, I'm taking a Morphe R36 brush. So I always like to go in with highlighter before going in with blush, because I feel like when I go in with blush right now, it just really nicely blends into the highlighter. And if I would do highlighter after applying blush, it just kind of lays on top of it. So that's the reason why I start with highlighter. And for today's look, I kind of want to go for a neutral kind of blush, nothing too crazy. So I'm going in with this one by MAC Cosmetics, which is in the shade Warm Soul. It has a little bit of a glitter in it, which looks really beautiful, but the shade is... Now I feel like this blush is a really nice blush which will go together with like any lipstick. Now, because I'm thinking about doing a red lipstick version for you guys as well, I want to go for a blush that will suit with like the nude that I'm wearing right now, but also with like a more spicy red shade. And this one is really pretty, so that's the reason why I'm using this one, and it's also just really pretty. And then for the last step, I'm taking this lip gloss from Dose of Colors in the shade Goals, which I haven't used it in a while, but it used to be my favorite lip gloss, so I wanted to use it for today's look. And I'm just applying it on top of the other lip product. Okay, so I sort of removed the nude lipstick. I am now going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Spicy Liquid Lipstick, and this is such a beautiful color. It's like a red color with a orangey undertone, which I think is so beautiful. And also I'm not going in with any lip liner. I'm just gonna apply it straight away. And then here you have the end result with the red lipstick on. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel. I know it's something a little bit more different than my other looks. I feel like my looks are normally a little bit more neat, a little bit more detailed, if that makes sense, but I just wanted to challenge myself and just do something completely different. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Also, let me know in the comments which version you like more, the one with the nude lipstick or the red lipstick. I'm really curious which is your favorite. And then yeah, of course, don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already, and hopefully I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!